Today we're going on a super cool adventure to see some mighty machines that help build roads, bridges, and houses. Whoa! Look at that big yellow machine. It's called a bulldozer. The bulldozer has a big metal blade in front. It pushes away soil, sand, and rocks. Wow! Look at that. That's Excavator. Look at its long arm and big bucket. It can dig deep holes and lift heavy rocks. Excavators can even spin all the way around 360 degrees. If I had one, I'd dig the biggest sandcastle pit ever. Ha ha! Look, that's a dump truck. Oh, wow, so many dump trucks. The dump truck carries all the dirt and rocks from one place to another. Watch how it lifts its back to dump everything out. Boom! Just like that. Now this one looks strong. It's a wheel loader. It scoops up big piles of sand and puts them into trucks. It's like a huge shovel on wheels. Wheel loaders are super fast and can lift things higher than a school bus. Ooh, the road roller! It makes the ground smooth and flat. After all the digging and pushing, the roller comes to finish the job and make the road nice and shiny. Friends, do you know that the road rollers can weigh as much as 10 cars? Wow, we saw so many big, strong machines today. Let's remember their names. Bulldozer, excavator, dump truck, wheel loader, and road roller. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Piklu adventures. Bye-bye.